Hello guys and welcome to the new video of iOS Tutor. Today we are going to do exercise 3.1 from the NCERT book. As you guys know that we have already covered the basics that are required to do this exercise. If you have watched the Trigonometry 01 and Trigonometry 02, you don't even need this video. You can solve it if you want to by yourself. But still, if you face any problem, that's what I'm here for. So I'm going to solve all of this exercise for you. All right. So let's go. I'll just set up a timer so that I have the time in my head and it's easier for me. Okay, good. So the first question is find the radian measures corresponding to the following degree measures. Okay. So the first question is, as I told you before, 360 degree is equals to 2 pi radian. So 1 degree will be 2 pi upon 360 radian, or pi upon 180 radian. All right, that's very good. So now what we have to do is we just have to multiply this. Okay, I'll just choose some colors so it's a bit separated. All right, so I have to multiply this. 25 degree is equals to 25 into pi divided by 180 radian, and that is equal to 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15, 635 pi upon 36 radians. I told you yesterday in the tutorial 02 video only, where you see pi, that means you have reached the radians. All right, cool. And let's go to the second question now. Minus 47 degree 30 minutes. If you don't know what is this 30 minutes and everything, I have explained everything in the video yesterday in the Trigonometry 02. You can go and watch Trigonometry Trig 02 for this lecture. You can just type on Google Trig 02 iOS Tutor and yep, there you are. So this is 47 degree 30 minutes. So plus, if I convert the minute to degree, that will be 30 upon 60 degree. So that will be minus. For this purpose, I'll avoid the minus. I'll put minus in the end. All right, because yep, that will be more easier because minus can play a very different role which we don't want it to play. So 47 degrees plus 1 by 2 degrees. So that will be 47, 2 7s are 14, 94, 95 by 2 degrees. Alright, and we can just keep a small minus here, but we don't need to involve the minus before. We just put it in the end, whatever we get the answer. So this is 95.2 degree. Now I multiply it by pi by 180 to convert it to radian. Alright, so yep, that is your answer. Minus 95 pi upon 360. You can cut it and everything if you want to do. I have taught all of this in the Trig 02. If you watch Trig 02, you would know how to solve this. Third is uh, 240 degree. Again, it's very simple. It's in degree. You can just multiply it by pi by 180, and I have to remove this here because now it's no more in degree. Pi by 180, so that's 24 pi by 18 is your answer in radians. So you can cut it. 2 9s are 18, or 3 6 are 18, 3 8s are 24, 6 3s are 18. Yeah, that will be better. 4 by 3 pi. And the last is, what is the last? 520 degree. Fourth. So that is also the same thing. 520 degree is 520 into pi upon 180. So this cut, and yep, here we have, we can do it. 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4, 1 2 6 are 12. So 26 pi by 9. Yeah, and it does not divide. So 26 pi by 9 radians. So that is the first question of NCERT. It's very simple, I guess. All of you could have done that. Now I'll come to the second question of NCERT. So the second question of the NCERT says find the degree measures of the following radian measures. So we have to find yet now the degree measures of the following radian. So we have 2 pi radian is equals to 360 degree. So 1 degree, what will be 1 degree here? So see, 1 degree will be 180 upon pi. All right. So 1 degree will be 180. Just think about it like this. If 2 pi, we can just write it like this. Maybe this might seem easier for you. 360 degree is equals to 2 pi radian. 1 degree is equals to 2 pi upon 360 radian. And if I cut this, like multiply this by 2, so 2, 1, the 2, 2, and multiply and divide by 2, then I have 2 cut, 2, 1, 180. Sorry, what am I doing? I'm sorry, my head is hurting so bad, but I have to continue my series, so I'm making the video. Sorry if I'm making freakish mistakes. Yeah, and now the second part, it's -4. I told you keep the minus side, we just have to work with the 4. 4 into pi divided by 180, that is your, yep, 4 pi. What more can we do in this? What do you guys think? They have given us, yeah, use pi, right? So we can just leave it here. We have to do something in the first question too. Wait. We can leave it here because since they have given it in pi and they have asked us in degree to the following radian measures. Find the degree measures. So degree measures is the value of degree and then the value of minute and the value of seconds. But I guess even if you leave in paper till here, that'll work. You don't need to put the seconds. So I have to convert this in seconds also. That'll be better. Alright, so I'll do that too because it'll be easier, you know. So 11 upon 16 radian. So I'll just multiply it by 180 upon pi, 180 upon pi, right? So that'll be easier. And then pi is 22 by 7. It's given to us. 11 on 16 into 180 into 7 upon 22. All right. So guys, I'll have to use my calculator because I don't have much time in these videos and it's easier for me. I'm sorry, I will tell you beforehand I'm using a calculator along because then it's easier to multiply these big figures. So 11 times 180 times 7 is 13,860 and 16 times 22 is 352. And what if I do 16? No. 22 times 5 is 110. Nope, won't work. Okay, so now we can divide this 352 and 13860. And so what will I do? 352, 13860. So 352 into 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9, 10. 352 times 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20, 4 3s are 12, 13, 14. So we'll have to go with the 3. Alright, so the 3 will be 1056. 6 minus 6, 0, 8 minus 5 is 3, 330, 3300. And then now 352 times, what should I do guys, into 9, 2 9s are 18, 45, 46, 3 9s are 27, 31, 3168, yep, 9. And that will be 3168. If I subtract it, what do I get is 30. Wait, I'll just subtract it again in my calculator because that is a bit easier for me. 132. So what we get is 352, 132 upon 39. So that's what we get. So what we do is we have 352 now, and then we add and we put this in minutes. 132, 39 into 60. As I told you, 1 degree is 60 minutes. So 60 minutes. So this much degree, if I convert into minute, so I just multiply it by this, and now I have a minute term. All right. So what will I do is, I have got a new term, so I can just write 352, 132 minutes. What I can do is, this is 132 minutes, and this 60 upon 39 into 60, I can take it in seconds. So that will be cool too. So you can do like this also. This is totally correct if you want to do it like this. But uh, I'll still do it a little better because I don't want you guys to have a wrong answer in your exams. 132/60 is 7920 divided by 39. I guess you guys get a gist of it. So 352, 7920 divided by 39. So 39, 7920, 39 twos are 2 nines are 18, 2 3 6, 78, twos are 78, that's 1, that's 2, 0, 0, 1, 2, 0, 39 times 3, 3 nines are 4, 4 nines are 36, 4 threes are 12. No, 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 no. 39 times 3, 3 nines are 27, 3 threes are 9, 10, 11. Yep. 203, and we have 117, that is 3. So we have 39, 3, 203. So if I multiply this, I get the same thing. Wait, 203, 203, 339. Yep, that looks better. And now we have 203 minutes, and you can multiply this by 60. That's a second, and you can just, guys, you can go ahead like this. It's a very big question. That's the problem. So if I come to the second part, that is -4, I'll try to do it more cleanly. I know the first part I missed a little. I'll keep this minus aside for a minute. I'll put it in the end. So see, first of all, radian to degree conversion. All right, this is our first part. So 4 times 180 upon pi. All right, and then I will put the value of pi. 4 into 180, 22 times 7. 7 4 is 28. 28 28 times 180 is 5040 divided by 22. All right, so what do I do now is I just do a long division here. 22 5040, 22 twos are 44, 6 64, 22 twos are 44, well 3 is 66, so no choice. 0 to 200, 22 nines are 2 nines are 18, 198, 198. So this is 2. So I write it like this: 229 2 upon 22. All right. So now I write 229 degrees. Now I convert this to minutes. So 222 times 60 minutes. This is in minutes. Degree to minutes. And then I do 211 60. So this is 60 by 11. So that is your minutes. I'll just divide it in 60 divided by 11. If you want to go any further, you can. I'll just write 5 minutes. If you want to go further, you can. You can just solve it ahead, and just the same method. Okay. Then we have 5 pi divided by 3, and that is very simple. These numbers are difficult because they don't have a pi. Times 180 divided by pi, and pi with pi cut. 3 6 are 18, 0, that's 300 degrees. And the last part of the second question is 7 pi 6, that also you must know, times 180 pi, pi cancel, 6 3s are 18, 0, 210 degrees. I hope this was clear to you, the second question. Now we come to the third question. A wheel makes 360 revolutions in 1 minute. Through how many radians does it turn in 1 second? Okay, wait guys, I will do one thing. I will copy these two questions, take a screenshot, I will copy it, and I'll come here. Alright, so I'll paste these screenshots. Thank you NCRT for not sponsoring this video, but yeah, helping me get some good questions for this course of trigonometry that I'm offering on the YouTube. Alright, so the third question, because NCRT questions are really good. I really love the NCRT questions. They're easy, but they make your base. Base is very important. If you don't have a base, it's no use. Don't study maths. You can go and just do something else you want to. Okay, a wheel makes 360 revolutions in 1 minute. That means it makes 360 turns in 1 minute. Alright, that is like 60 seconds. So in 1 second, it will make 360 by 60. 6 rotations. How many radians does the turn take in 1 second? So you might have a question, why did I take 1 second? This is the reason, because we need to find this. Alright, 6 rotations. And now what we are going to do, it's very simple. Just try to understand. Alright. So see, 360 degree. See, one rotation. Okay, for example, this is a wheel. And it is covering a distance from here, A point, back here. So how many degrees did it travel? It began from 0 degree when the angle was 0. Then it reached here, there was some theta. Then it reached here, there was some theta. Then it reached here, there was some theta, this point, and then it reached again back, there was some theta. So you'll see it covered a circle basically, and it covered a circle. So the total angle it covered was 360 degree in one rotation. In one rotation it covered 360 degree, and we know one rotation 360 degree is 2 pi radians. So in 1 second it took 6 rotations, so we can just write that number of radians in 1 second is equals to how many rotations in 1 second? 6 times how many times does it take? 2 pi. So 2 pi. So that is 12 pi radians. Very simple question. I guess a kindergarten kid could do it. Not kindergarten, but okay. Very intelligent kindergarten kid. Okay. Find the degree measure of angle subtended. Okay. So see, all of the questions. See, I never saw this exercise. Trust me, I'm doing it in front of you. You guys could see when I'm solving the exercise. I never even saw this exercise. I just took the question and I was like, okay, I'll make a video today on this. But all the basics I covered in Trigo 1 and Trigo 02. So if you guys watch those two videos, you didn't even need my help in this exercise. But still, I'm making this so it's easier for everybody. This is not a circle. That's a beautiful circle. I'll take this as the center, and I'll find the degree measure of the angle subtended on the circle of radius 100. So the radius is 100 centimeters. Okay, no problem. And the arc subtended is 22 centimeters. Oh, easy. And this is the arc subtended. All of this I covered in the first 22 centimeters and theta. So we have to, the angle that will come will be in radians here. All right. So theta is length of arc upon radius. And in this case, the length of arc is 22 centimeters and the radius is 100 centimeters. So see, centimeter with centimeter wig. Trust me, I know you can't cut like this, but this means that it's unitless. Theta is unitless here because both are the terms, alright? So that is 0.22. That's your answer here. All right, 0.22 radians. You can find it in degree also if you want to. They ask in question to find it, the degree measure. So firstly, this is in radians. If you see Trigo 2, you again know everything from Trigo 2. So I'll just write it 2200, or I can just write it 1150. So 1150 times 180 upon pi. Yep. And then 1150 in times 180, 22 times 7, and then I have 0 0 cancelled. 11 2s are 2 9s are 18, so 63 by 5 degrees. So yep, that is all you guys needed to do in this question. Very easy. All right, now I'll go to the fifth question and the sixth question, because seventh question is your homework, but I'll do the first part because this video is getting very long and I don't have that much time, because people will scream at me, what the hell, man, so long videos you make for us. I can't do that, sorry. Yeah, but I'll still solve one for you. Be happy. I solved whole of the exercise, and this is a very easy exercise. What's gonna come ahead is you're gonna love it. You're gonna be like, whoa, what we did in the first video was nothing. This is just basics, but basics are important. Basics are very important. Okay, in a circle, diameter 40 centimeter. See how I perceive the questions. Trust me, I have never ever seen these questions. Okay, I solved it in my time when I was in India and I was doing the NCERT, but trust me, it's been long. It's been like 2 years or something since I did this. So it's easy. Okay, I'm doing NCERT. You'll say it's not big, but it's because my basics are clear. So if you watch Trigo 01 and Trigo 02, you're good with that. You won't even need my help. Trust me. I explain that way. So see, the radius, the diameter is 40 centimeter, radius is 20 centimeter, length of chord is 20 centimeter. Oh, we have a chord this time. So this is length of chord. That is 20 centimeters again. Find the length of minor arc of the chord. Oh my God, that is a very, very, very good question. So see, what this says, we have a circle, all right? And the diameter of the circle is 40. So the radius is 20, and we have a radius 20. And it says that there are two radiuses. There's a theta here, and there are two radiuses, 20 centimeter, 20 centimeter. And we have here also, see, 20 centimeter. This is the length of the chord. Find the minor arc of the chord. Do you know, guys, what is the minor arc of the chord? See, first thing is, this is equilateral triangle, if you can see. Sorry, I couldn't stop. I want to explain you. This is equilateral triangle, all right? So I am done. Like theta is 60, this is theta is 60 degree, and this theta is also 60 degree. All right, and now it's very simple. Theta is length of arc divided by radius. That's all. This is their minor arc, and this is your major arc. If they would have said find the, oh, I have to, this is your minor, the black is your major, this is your major, and this is red one is your, I'll write it with red. Okay, this is your minor. All right, this is a major, this is a minor. So theta is length of arc upon radius. If they would have asked the major, then you would just have said 360 minus theta, and then you would have applied the same formula, exact same. Or you could have just subtracted this by 2 pi r minus this length here. Oopsie. I hope you guys are catching with me. You could have just done this 2 pi r minus this if they would have asked you the major. But in the question we have minor, so es ist völlig egal. Sorry, I said in German. It doesn't matter. Sorry. Okay, so yeah, theta is length of arc divided by radius. What is length of arc? We don't know. We know the theta. Theta is 60 degree. But this is in radians. This is in radians. Theta is in degrees. So we have to first convert it to radians. See, again, if your basics are clear, you would know this. So 60 degrees, 60 times pi by 180. We did this conversion a lot of time in this video, so that is pi divided by 3. So theta is pi divided by 3. Length of arc we don't know. Radius is 20 centimeters. Alright, so we'll just write here 20, and the length is 20 pi divided by 3. That is your length in centimeters. Don't forget to write centimeters, or teachers are so cranky they cut your marks. It depends what kind of teacher you have. All right. Okay. So now I come to, this was the fifth question, and now I come to the sixth question. Okay. If in two circles, arcs of same length, all right, subtend angles 60 and 45 degree. If in two circle, arcs are same, that means L is same. All right. So see, circle 1, circle 2. All right. So theta 1 is equals to length of circle 1 divided by radius of circle 1. Theta 2 is length of circle 2 divided by radius of circle 2. But they said in the question, arcs of the same length. Alright, so I'll take L1 and as L2 equal. L1 is equals to L2 is equals to L. Alright, so I'll just write this as L now. Alright, and what did they ask me in the question? Find the ratio of their radii. So radii. So here I'll take R1 is L upon theta 1, R2 is L upon theta 2. Einfach easy. R1 upon R2 is equals to L upon theta 1 divide multiplied by theta 2 upon L. So R1 upon R2 is equals to theta 2 upon theta 1. Alright. So did they give us any angles? 60 degree and 75 degree. Oopsie, that's easy. So see, since this was in radians, again the above concept, I have to convert 60 degree and 75 degree also in radians. So 60 degree we did just right here, I guess, pi by 3. And 75 we can do here, no worries. 75 times pi divided by 180. So what is this? 5 ones are 5, 25, 5 fives are 25, 5 fives are 25, yep, 5 threes are 15, 5 six are 30, 3 fives are 15, 3 twos are 6, 5 pi divided by 12. Okay, so this is 75 degrees, 5 pi divided by 12. So this is, if I do it a little bit orally, pi, okay, doesn't matter. What was theta 2 again? Theta 2 is the, oops, sorry. Theta 2 is the second circle. Alright. Theta 2 is the second circle, 5 pi upon 12 divided by theta 1 is pi divided by 3. So this is 5 pi divided by 12 times 3 divided by pi. Pi cancel, 3 fours are 12. So the ratio is 5 by 4. R1 divided by R2 is 5 by 4. I'll just add one new page, and we are back to the last question of this exercise. And it was very simple exercise. I'm sorry guys, I wasted your time. Really, it was simple, no doubt. But if it helped somebody, I'm very happy that it helped you. But trust me, it was very simple. You guys could have figured it out on yourself. But if you didn't, no worries. We all learn at different pace, and we'll learn. If you don't understand, trust me, if you would have, why I'm saying this, because Trigo 01 and Trigo 02 covered all the concepts. You just had to apply it here. I explained you with the applications there. All right. Find the angle in radian. Find the angle in radian through a pendulum swings at the length of. So see guys, this is a good question. We have a pendulum, and you know how a pendulum swings? Pendulum swings like this. It goes till here and then it goes back. So this is called a to and fro motion in physics. Pendulum has a to and fro motion. So it says if its length is 75 centimeters, so this is 75 centimeters, This is your theta. We have to find the theta in radians, so you don't need to change anything. And they have given different lengths. Oh, you guys can do this. In the first question, it's 10. So theta is 10 divided by 75. Both are in centimeters. Yep, no need to cover. Everything's done. Theta is length of arc upon radius. First. Second is theta is 15 by 75. Third is theta is 21 by 75. So that's our answer in radian, radian, and radian. So I guess you guys liked the video. It was a very simple video, but yeah, I hope I was able to help you guys in some way or the other. Now, in the next lecture, we'll start talking about sine, cos, and tan in more deep way. We'll do the graphs of it. We'll try to derive the graph of it, of the sine, cos, and tan function, and we'll learn some properties about it through that. After that, we'll go to exercise 13.2. I hope you liked my video. Please hit the subscribe button if you liked it. If you didn't, leave a dislike and tell me where can I improve. Thank you. Have a good day.